guys, it's Dobby again from My Handmade Passion. In this video I'll be showing you my latest projects and just things that I've been working on, and I'll make sure to list all the items down below this video in comments. You can find links to every single item in my Etsy shop, My Handmade Passion. Okay, so the first thing are these earrings that I'm wearing right now. They're drop earrings made of cotton thread, and they have these beautiful teardrop beads at the bottom. I recently made a pattern for these earrings, which you can also find in my shop, but you can also purchase the ready earrings too, so I'll link them. And the other items are in this box right here. So these are my next earrings, which are floral cotton earrings again, and I've been selling these earrings for a while now in my shop, and I decided to make a pattern for them, which you can find in my shop as well. I only listed that yesterday, so the pattern is available for all you crochet lovers. Okay, so let's see, my next item are these pretty boho earrings. Now, I haven't listed these in my shop just yet. For some reason I kind of forgot that I made them. I probably made them about a month ago and I totally forgot about them. And they're gorgeous. They're so me. I just love big earrings, especially hoop earrings. I'm not sure if you can see them, guys, because of my t-shirt, but I hope you can get an idea. Okay, then these earrings, which are kind of the same floral earrings, but they're black. It's just someone ordered earrings from my shop about a month ago and in black color, and I made these, and then right before I send them to the girl, I figured out I'll just double check the order, and it turned out that she actually ordered a different design of earrings in black. It wasn't this one, so these are an extra pair that I have in case someone decides to purchase these. Okay, and then these ones too, they are wooden earrings with silk thread, and I haven't listed these just yet. Again, I forgot that I made them. I just sometimes guys, I just get inspiration about making earrings and I start working on a project, and then I put it aside and totally forget about it. And yeah, some of these earrings have been sitting in this box for some time now, but I'll list them, and also I'll include all the links to my earrings and my patterns. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do that now. I very much appreciate that, so you can stay tuned for new videos and anything about crochet and making business on Etsy. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!